Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here to do a quick tutorial on how to set up the E88 Pro drone. Okay, as you know guys, ito yung madalas na binibili ng mga tao kasi mura siya. Okay, at least kung ma-crash mo, hindi ganun kamahal. Okay, and madali din siyang paliparin. Okay, let's go back here. So we have the white version. Okay, have the remote control. Let me put a battery here. Okay. Make sure guys na tama yung polarity pag lalagay kayo ng battery para sigurado na mag-on yung remote. So make sure na may enough charge din yung battery. Okay, kasi minsan mapapansin nyo na hindi nagre-respond ng maayos si drone from the remote control. That means possible na lobat na yung battery nyo. So make sure na may enough charge siya pag gumagamit yung drone, or preferred fully charged. Okay, now let's power on the drone. Let's see. Unfold the upper arm first, and then the rear part. You press the power button. Of course, make sure the battery is plugged in properly para hindi malaglag. Then you switch the power on, and then of course you press the power button. Okay. So sa version na to, hindi ko lang sure kasi most E88 drone, you have to bind it to the drone by pressing the joystick up and down. Okay, for this model or for this specific drone, I'm not sure, baka sa manufacturer na siya, automatic. As you can see, steady na si light. The next thing we do here is to calibrate the drone, which is the second button on the right joystick, sa ibaba ng right joystick. So press lang siya. Kailangan blink yung light ni drone as indicator na successful yung calibration nyo. Okay, and then to power on the motor, just press the left joystick up. Switch it off. Okay, so simple as that. Pag na-on si motor or si engine and drone, okay, after you press this up, yung next na up nyo is lilipad na siya. Okay, that's our manual takeoff. If you want to do automatic takeoff, we have, just have to press this button. Okay, so meron siyang icon ni drone, okay, na may arrow going up, as you can see here. One press and it will fly. I can't do that here because I'm inside the room. Baka matamaan tayo ni drone, okay? So we're not gonna do that. And of course, this one is the landing button. One press lang and the drone will land. Okay. The other way to land the drone is while it's mid-air. Just have to press this button down, pull the joystick down, right, and it will go down to the ground. And once it's on the ground, you hold it. Right, keep it down, and the motor will shut off. Okay, that's how you do it. So ang function ng left joystick na to, aside from altitude control or height control, up and down, ito siya is, if you turn this to the right, the drone will face right like that. If you press this, the drone will turn. Okay, the drone set. Go to the left, the drone's head will also move to the left side. Okay, so you call it the yaw control. Okay, itong right joystick, guys, okay, that's directional controls. Okay, forward, backward, okay, going to the left and going to the right without changing the head orientation in drone. So, ganun siya. the left, to the right. Okay, ganun lang siya. Simple. If totally beginner kayo, I suggest magpalipad kayo sa malapit lang muna, medyo mababa, okay, but make sure it's above head level. At least if you get disoriented sa direction ni drone, okay, sa controls, hindi matatamaan yung mukha nyo or mukha na ibang tao. Make sure nga walang tao if possible, okay, hanggat maaari, dapat nasa malapad na lugar kayo para safe kayo at yung mga tao sa paligid nyo, okay. Now, may iba pa tayong buttons dito makikita sa remote control dito sa isang side nung right joystick, okay, which is the flip button, I believe. Let me double check. This is the manual, guys, so may kasama ng manual siya. Okay, just to give you an idea of what the controls are. Let's see. So yep, this is a flip switch, okay. The drone can do tumblings, okay, yung sinasabi nila na rolling, okay. So pag pinares mo to, si drone magpa-follow yan or magta-tumbling siya pupunta kung saan pinares, okay, yung joystick ko. Kung pauna siya after pressing this roll button or 360 flip button, you press it, and as you guys can hear, nagbibip siya, no? It's waiting for a command, a direction command. Pag pinares nyo itong forward, si drone ay while mid-air mag-flip forward, ayan, ganyan, and so on and so forth. Kung backward, pabalik siya, sideward, both left and right, okay. So ganyan lang yan. Make sure na may enough space kayo forward or backward kung saan man pupunta si drone para hindi siya maka-damage or makatama, okay. And the drone itself, make sure na may enough altitude kayo or may enough space to the direction where it's going para hindi na ma-damage si drone, okay. Usually kumakain siya ng altitude pag niflip, okay, nababawasan yung altitude or tumataas ng konti. So make sure na may enough space kayo from the ground, okay. Dito sa isang side ng remote control, meron tayong speed control. So meron tayong, ayan, by default naka speed number 1 siya, mas mabagal, okay. Yung pinares ko 2 beeps, that means speed number 2, and then yung next speed mo of course is speed number 3, mabilis na yan. So if medyo may breeze, yung condition ng weather, medyo may hangin, okay, kasi drone medyo nahihirapan sa speed 1, dagdagan nyo ng speed, try speed number 2. If tingin nyo medyo na kaya nyo pumick up sa hangin, okay na yan, okay, kasi yung speed number 3 medyo masyado siyang mabilis, okay, unless malakas talaga yung hangin. Pero I don't suggest you guys fly during windy condition, okay, para sa safety, okay, safety nyo, safety ng drone, okay, safety din ng mga tao sa paligid nyo. Ito naman yung headless mode switch. Headless mode, that means pag si drone mid-air, hindi siya magpa-follow sa yung default na control niya, which is head mode, okay. Pag naka-headless mode siya, ibig sabihin kung saan siya nakaharap, kasi medyo naka-diagonal position siya, okay, and pinares yung backward direction sa joystick, ang tendency ng drone is bumalik siya papunta sa inyo backward, okay. Usually pag naka-head mode siya, yung backward niya, since andito yung head ni drone, ang backward movement ng drone is papunta dito, so naka-align siya sa head direction. Pero kung headless mode siya, yung back niya is palapit sa inyo, ayan. So regardless kung saan nakaharap yung head niya, kung anong press yung direction dito sa joystick, doon siya magpa-follow. So forward niya, dito, back, left, right, okay. Pero kung naka-head mode ka, yung forward mo punta dito, okay, yung back mo dyan, okay, left to the right, ganoon. Meron din tayong trimming buttons dito. So, makikita nyo natin 4. Okay. All sides. Very simple to use. Pag take off nyo, and si drone is medyo kumakabig papunta sa kaliwa. Okay. Of course, ang ipipress nyo yung button dito sa remote control is ang kanan. So, itong kanan. Okay, so, one press lang at a time. Ayan. Until you see the drone will stop drifting. Okay, so kung kumakabig papuntang kanan, yung kaliwa naman yung press nyo. One at a time until mag-stop mag-drift si drone. So, on and so forth, sa forward and backward. So, ika-counter control nyo lang siya. One press at a time. Okay, you will notice yung fine-tuning niya magiging in effect siya. Okay, just one press lang at a time para hindi mabigla yung adjustment. So far, yun lang naman yung capacity ng drone na to, up to 100 meter range. Usually mas maganda hindi sagadin kasi hindi siya GPS drone. So pag nawalan siya ng connection sa remote, the drone will just keep flying until it drains the battery and maglaland siya somewhere kung saan siya abutin ng battery drain. Okay, so keep the drone as close as possible, especially pag nag-beep na si remote. Okay, kasi pag nag-beep na si remote and nag-start mag-blink si light, that means low-bat na siya. So dapat you keep the drone within the controllable range, or kung hindi man, at least kung mag-auto land siya kasi low-bat na siya, malapit lang sa inyo. Make sure wala sa ilog or bodies of water para hindi, of course, dun mag-land si drone. What else? This version has dual camera. Ayan, pero hindi siya optical flow version. Okay, I say it's just a gimmick kasi ito usually unusable naman tong second camera. Okay, so ito yung antenna niya, of course LED light, ito yung main camera niya. Sa ganitong price ng drone, hindi tayo mag-expect na magandang footage. So merely this drone is more for practicing. Okay, before kayo mag-upgrade sa medyo tingin nyo is kaya na ng budget nyo. Okay, or kung gusto nyo mag-upgrade ka agad sa medyo mahal, depende sa inyo. Okay, ang importante, at least you get a better understanding of how drone works pagdating sa mga controls. Okay, I think we're done with this review. I'll show the picture of the control buttons dito sa screen para may idea kayo. This is for this version. It could be different with other E88 because marami nagmamanufacture ng E88. So iba-iba yan. Just follow the manual para safe tayo and guided tayo. Okay? And make sure pa kayo guys. Clear yung environment. Kahit mari walang tao. Okay? Always follow safety guidelines. Okay? Para safe lahat. Okay? Kayo ang drone, tao sa paligid nyo. Okay? That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.